Alt lending has a vast opportunity in the private student US student loan market. It's mentioned that there are up to 30 billion in distressed private US student loans, distressed, delinquent, defaulted student loans. And more recently, alt lending has made a significant portfolio purchase. Can you discuss sort of the kind of criteria you use to assess the quality of loans? Could you sort of give us an overview of that and how you ensure you find those those borrowers that are of good credit quality?
So one of the things we first start with is where were these loans originated and what school did the borrower attend? We also take a look at the percentage of cosigners that are associated with these loans. And then the third thing is we really take a look at whether the borrower did make payments during school or if the borrower actually went into repayment upon graduation. We're looking to see if these individuals received degrees or if they're really just separated from school or they went on to get additional degrees. So we take a look at all of those individual pieces, and then we also take a look at the balance of the loans that are outstanding that are coming from this particular entity. Because the advantage with us purchasing a portfolio is we now have the opportunity to go to that consumer borrower and refinance that loan into possibly a lower interest rate loan. Sometimes we find that when we purchase these loans, they were sitting at 8 and 9%, when I can get the consumer back down into a 3-5 interest rate range, which makes a big difference on their monthly payments. So there is a big advantage of us purchasing these loans because we have a history of repayment. We also know the school that they attended, and we also can get a deeper look into their credit history. Oftentimes, an individual that has delinquent or defaulted education loans, they have this with multiple lenders. It's not just one lender. It could be a school, it could be a Sallie Mae, it could be any other institution. And so what we want to do is we want to go in and solve their entire problem and get them down to a single payment. And there's huge advantages to taking a look at these portfolios as an individual, because we also get a lot of repayment history. Where in the US are they located? Are they employed? Are they not employed? So there's a lot of advantages to taking a look at these portfolios.